Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this secret cake holding hack in DTI. So yes, you can hold a cake in DTI, and here I'm going to spill the sweet secret in this must-watch tutorial. So whether you are dressing for a birthday theme, giving full party princess energy, or just want to serve cake, this hack is too cute to skip. So let me show you this hack in here. So first you are just going to grab the apple from here and lift the toggles into right arms, and now go to the men sections and put on this hat. So this hat is what we are going to use as the cake. So you can choose the color that you want for the cake. In this case, I'm going to use this soft pink color and make the material metallic. And then in here for the flower, I'm going to make it bold pink like this. And now you can use the adjustment feature to adjust the positions of the cake. And so this is the adjustment that I'm using for the hat. So for the X 70, Y 8 and Z 19 on position, and here for the rotate, leave it as it is and adjust the scale to 35. Now here I'm going to add some more like condiments to the cake. So in here I'm going to use this flour, and then here the red one. So after you put on the flour, toggle it into no spikes and change the color to the color that you prefer. So in this case, I'm going to use the pink color like the flower before. And here adjust the positions X 73, the Y 10, and here the Z into 17, and adjust the scale into 30. Okay, so you'll get this accessory. And now I'm going to add like ribbon into the cake. So I'm going to use this headbands, and I'm going to make the color white, and again use the adjustment feature. Okay, so here is the adjustment for the ribbon effect. So the X positions is 69, Y 27, and Z 23. Rotate X 0 and adjust the scale into 35. So this is the final look for the cake. But if you want to, you can also add this earrings in here. So to make it look like the candles, here I'm going to adjust it like this. So it will look like candles on top. And here is the adjustment. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.